If you have a dad, you know a dad, or you are a dad, you're gonna want the dad gear, particularly for Father's Day that's coming up. This is a perfect gift. If you don't know of what can I get dad, trust me, he's gonna want something like this, which is a pouch, because how many times has he crawled under to fix something and only to find that his tool has wandered off or is like 27 feet away and he's crawled under there. This will attach to the job site, it'll attach to a line, it'll attach to his belt buckle, or it'll attach to his pocket right here, and he'll always have his tool, whether that's a Leatherman, a wrench, or even on the side right here, he can put anything like a pocket knife or anything that has this little tiny clip with like my razor blade that I use a lot. You can attach that there. Just think of it as like a miniature tool belt for dads, right? Honestly, this is the perfect little Father's Day gift if you're wondering what to give, or birthday gift for a handyman dad or a camping dad. The quality is superb. I mean, this is handcrafted leather. You can put a pair of pliers in here, anything that you need that you're going to reach for often. It's a case that has the big slot and a little slot, so you can stack them, and then it has these side things. It looks good, it feels good, oh, and it smells good. That's probably before your dad uses it, but anyways, if you're looking for something for a birthday gift, a Father's Day gift, or just want to surprise the person that you love with something that you'll know that he'll like, I don't think you can go wrong with this thing.